Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna cover how we can create a responsive search ads with all the different headlines and multiple descriptions, and then Google can judge and optimize our ad copies based on uh, whichever headline and description getting most amount of clicks. So yeah, let's get dive into my screen and let's see how it goes. I'm on my screen right now, and as you guys can see, this is the same account that I have been using for all the demo purposes, just for these videos. And to create a responsive search ad, just go to the ad section of your campaign. So let's say I'm just gonna click here, and these are the two ad copies that we did in the recent videos. I'm just gonna click this plus icon over here, and you can see we have the responsive search ad button over here. You just need to click it, and then it will ask for the ad group wherever you basically need to place the responsive search ad. And from here you can just click I'm just gonna go with the repair, and there we go. As you can see, we now have the multiple headlines option as well as the description. URL can only be the one. We cannot do the A/B testing on the URL side over here, but anyways, so this is the URL that we have over here, and these are the path that we have over here for the different headlines. We can have all of our different headlines showing over here. And I think, let me actually see how many we can have. I think the limit was 20. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Sorry, it's 15 headlines. And I think we can have 5 description. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, it's 4. So yeah, so we can have 4 different description and 15 different headlines on the same ad copies. And what we can do, the fun part is, if we want to have a same headline first to be always sticky and always be the one. So for instance, I'm gonna quickly show you. So so I'm just gonna say only So let's say this is the brand name that I always want to have on the first headline. So what I would do, I would just click this pin icon over here, and then there we go. We do have these options where we can just stick the one headline, and rest of them will be changing accordingly. So let me actually show you. So if you will change all of these headlines, as you can see, the first one is always there and the rest of them are getting changed. And same goes for the desktop as well. So yeah, that's how you basically change the description and set up the headlines as well. And same option we have over here for the pin option. We can have one sticky description and the second one can be changing accordingly. And this is the URL UTM settings and all. I'm gonna cover this URL option part in the later video, but for now you don't need to worry about it. You can just click close it and set up your responsive search ad just like this. And once you're done, just click save and create extension, and then it will take you to the extension section, or you can just click save ad, so that it will just set up a responsive search ad for you. So yeah, that's about it. That's how you basically create a responsive search ad. And hopefully you guys the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and share. Thanks guys.